going to show you how to get the software to do stuff to websites you hate. Like in this video on YouTube, I shoot webkins. See? You can shoot the webkins. That's what you can do. Now see that software? That's not really software. What you do now, go to google.com and type in web distro, okay? Now go to Google, type in web. Okay. Now see the first one. Now click on the first one. Then, now pick what you want to do to that site. So, Net Disaster right here. And I'm going to pick Bloody Gun. We type in webkins.com, okay. I'm going to mute it. You can mute it or have the sound on. I'll keep it on. So, see? We're here. It still comes up as Net Disaster. So, the gun should be here. But if it's not there, it may not work. So, just use auto. Or if neither works, then just pick something else like Mars Attack. You can do it automatically. Watch. Look, it's attacking webkins. Wow, isn't that fun? It's attacking webkins. Bam, bam, bam. Attack webkins. It's attacking webkins with all these Mars plants and stuff. Let's see, attack my screen now.